Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of AJTV Video Avenue. And I have good news for you all because we are now eligible for application to monetize our channel. Opo, kaninang alas 5 ng hapon, today is January 10, and at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I have noticed in my YouTube account that I am now eligible to apply for monetization. So, what we're going to do today is that I'm going to walk you through on how to do it, on how to process your application. So right now I'm in front of my laptop and I'm going to walk you through on how to process the application. Alright guys, before I walk you through the process, I would like you to know the requirements of YouTube in order for your channel to be monetized. Okay, first thing is that you must have at least 1,000 subscribers. Okay, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. And second is that you must attain 4,000 watch hours for the past 365 days. So, ibig sabihin, sa loob ng 365 days, kailangan ma-achieve mo ang requirements na ito ng YouTube. Okay, ano nga ba yung mga requirements na ito? Okay, first thing, 1,000 subscribers. Alam naman natin kung ano yung mga subscribers, di ba? Kung sa Facebook meron tayong followers sa ating Facebook page or mga likers, dito naman sa YouTube meron tayong mga subscribers. Okay? Ito naman yung 4,000 watch hours. Ano ba yung 4,000 watch hours? Like for example, if you have uploaded a 1-hour video, okay? If you have a 1-hour video at ang isang tao ay nanood ng entire video, the entire 1-hour video that you have on your YouTube channel, it only means that you will gain 1 watch hour. So, isang oras. Okay? From that particular. So, if you have 10 viewers on that particular video na 1-hour video, ibig sabihin meron kang 10 watch hours. So, kung ang videos mo ay nag-range lang ng 5 minutes, so you need to create more and more videos para ma-attain mo yung mga watch hours. So, sabi ni YouTube, in the span of 365 days, kailangan ma-achieve mo ang 4,000 watch hours. So let's go ahead. Let us take a look on my YouTube channel and take a look on kung bakit ko na-achieve yung 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Okay? So, pupuntahan natin ngayon ang AJTV Video Avenue. Okay? Ayan. Ito yung AJTV Video Avenue. So, currently, meron akong 2.08 thousand subscribers. So, okay, na-achieve ko na yung 1,000 subscribers na kailangan ni YouTube. Kasi meron akong 25 videos na pinanood ng mga tao. So, you have 25 videos for you to watch. For my channel has 25 videos to offer for my subscribers to watch. So, I'm going to upload more videos in the future para maraming pumapasok na watch hours. Okay? In order for you to take a look on the analytics or the performance of every video that you have uploaded, you're going to log into your YouTube account and go to your YouTube Studio. Okay? Dito sa YouTube Studio, makikita mo yung number of subscribers mo. Okay? Sabi niya, meron akong 2,082 subscribers at nakapag-gain ako ng 561 subscribers in the last 28 days. Okay, naka-default ito dito sa akin, naka-default siya ng 28 days for the last 28 days. Okay? In order for you to show or to view the complete performance of your videos, the analytics, you're going to click on the analytics tab on the left portion. And there you go. Makikita mo yung performance ng iyong YouTube channel for the last 28 days. So this is from December 13 until yesterday, which is January 9. So yung mga nangyayari ngayong araw na to na January 10 ay hindi pa mag-update. It will be updated tomorrow on January 11. Okay? So, paano po makikita for the last 365 days? Just click on this and it will show you the performance for the last 7 days, the last 28, last 90 days, last 365 days, or lifetime, or even by year or by month. Okay? Or you're gonna customize if you want to view it at a certain or particular time. Okay, particular dates. Okay, so last 365 days, titingnan natin. Okay, for the last 365 days, sabi ni YouTube, is that I am now eligible because eto, may views na ako na 25,900 views for the last 365 days. So since I started my video on September 10, on September 4 pala, ayan, my first upload of my videos is of September 4, yun. From that time, nanood yung mga subscribers ko hanggang yesterday, at yun, nagkaroon ako ng 4,600 watch hours from 2,100 subscribers. Okay? So kung babalikan natin yung YouTube channel ko, as you can see, we have different videos. I have uploaded different videos. There. I have videos which lasted for 6 minutes. I have videos that lasted for 3 minutes. So, nakapagpahaba lang ng videos ko ay yung mga live videos o mga live stream videos like this one. When we were packing our Christmas gifts, it is a 1 hour and 37-minute video. Almost 1 hour and 38 minutes. Okay, so kung halimbawa ang isang tao ay nanood nito ng 1 oras, meron ka na kaagad ng 1 watch hour. Okay? So from time to time, kailangan mo rin mag-live stream. Like for this one, when I have achieved 1,000 subscribers, I have given free cell phone load to my subscribers. And nakikita nyo naman, meron akong 493 views. And that is a 3-hour video. Okay? That is a 3-hour video. Just imagine kung ang lahat ng itong 493 na subscribers na to ay nanood ng 3 hours. So, that will mean that 493 times 3 hours, it will give you 1,479 watch hours just for this video. Ilan ba ang kailangan ni YouTube? Ang kailangan ni YouTube ay 4,000 watch hours. So, madali lang siyang ma-achieve kung talagang magpupursige ka at kung talagang ipupush mo ang 4,000 watch hours in the span of 365 days. So, malaking tulong guys itong live stream videos. So, unless meron ka talaga mga videos na laging pinapanood or nag-viral, yun yung mga videos na makakatulong sa'yo. Or unless sikat ka talaga, katulad ng mga artista or mga ibang vloggers na dati na silang sikat bago sila mag-YouTube, ay talagang agad-agad nakaka-gain sila. So, para sa ating mga nagsisimula pala, mga ordinary individuals, so, kailangan natin itong matutunan din. So, ayun. Once you have it, you have achieved it, YouTube will tell you that you are eligible to apply. In order for you to know kung eligible ka, pupunta ka sa monetization page. But before we do that, meron pa rin isang restriction sa YouTube. Kailangan yung mga ina-upload mong videos ay hindi copyrighted or hindi nag-hit ng copyright. Halimbawa, may videos ka at gumamit ka ng music ng iba or yes, patented yung music. So, ibig sabihin or licensed yung music, so wala kang lisensya para gamitin yun, ayun, hindi yun counted ni YouTube. So, para malaman mo kung may mga copyrighted videos ka, you need to go here muna. Sa copyright tab, it says there, removal request. As you can see, it doesn't show anything. So, it will show you 2 tabs. If you're going to click on this, it will show you the submit a copyright complaint button. So what does this mean? Kung halimbawa naman, ikaw naman ang merong video at kinopya yung video mo, ginamit sa iba ng ibang or in-upload sa ibang YouTube channel ng ibang YouTube users, so pwede nyo rin silang i-report at magsasubmit ka ng copyright complaint. Okay? So ayun, dito yun lalabas. Now, kung ikaw naman ang nakagamit ng kanilang materials at na-upload mo yun sa YouTube mo, halimbawa music, most likely music ang laging hit para ma-hit tayo para sa copyright. Okay? Yung ginagamit nating music. So, dito mo naman malalaman sa video list, click on it, and it will show you the set of videos. On this particular page, on my page, or my YouTube channel, it doesn't show you anything because talagang siniguro ko na wala akong mga copyright claims sa aking mga videos para yung lahat ng mga nanonood, lahat ng watch hours ay pasok. So I advise you guys, kasi pag-upload mo ng video, YouTube will automatically or will immediately tell you even before you post the video, YouTube will immediately tell you kung copyrighted yung video mo. So don't ever push to upload it just to gain views and subscribers, because YouTube will detect it, and by the time that you're going to apply for monetization, you will not be approved. Okay? So sayang lang ang effort. Manghihinayang ka lang. So in order for you to apply clearly for YouTube monetization, you need to delete all the videos, copyrighted videos that you have uploaded. Okay, we go now to the monetization page. As you can see, we have 2,070 subscribers, and we have now achieved the 1,000 required subscribers, and I have 4,321 public watch hours, which I have now achieved 4,000 required public watch hours. So let's go ahead and apply. Okay, and first step is the review partner program terms. Okay, we're going to read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. So they have different terms. They have up to number 6 terms. First is the monetization, payment account, payment terms, termination, governing law, and the miscellaneous. So we cannot go over one by one on this. All we just need to do is just to hit accept, and we need to accept the YouTube program terms, and we also need to check on the email me updates, announcements, and personalized tips to help grow my channel. So just go ahead and click on it. Makaka-receive ka ng mga emails and tips through YouTube sa iyong email address. So wala namang mawawala sa atin. Go ahead and click on it. And ayan, guys, makikita nyo iba-ibang terms. And after that, we're going to accept the terms. We will now proceed to step 2. So we're going to wait for the browser to refresh. There you go. Okay, it says done. We are now done with step 1. So we're going to go to step 2. Step 2 is signing up for Google Adsense. We need to create a new Google account or connect an existing one to your channel, and you need an Adsense account to monetize and get paid. So ito na yung time para mabayaran tayo. Very important na magkaroon tayo ng Google AdSense, dahil dito pinapadala ni YouTube at dito mo makikita kung paano mo mag-claim, kung paano mo may encash ang iyong kinitang pera sa iyong YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and start signing up for Google AdSense. Okay, let's click on start button. Okay, it will ask you, and do you have an existing account? If you have, yes, click on yes and sign up for the existing account. If you don't have, click on no, I don't have an existing account, and click on continue. After clicking continue, it will open up a new browser. It will open up a Google AdSense browser, and you will be asked to sign in. So ito na guys yung pinaka-importante, yung pag-sign up sa Google AdSense. If you think napakahaba na ng video na ito, I would advise you to keep on watching and watch until the end of this video para malaman mo kung paano. Okay? Because lahat na sa mga starters, lalong-lalo na, malalaman mo kung paano to i-process. So let's go ahead and continue. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa page ng Google AdSense wherein we're going to create an account. So kaya pa ba? Medyo mahaba na tong video na to, but then again, please go ahead and watch until the end of this video kasi mahalagang bagay ito para kung kayo naman ay na-approve na
para sa application for monetization ay hindi na kayo mahihirapan. So I'm going to walk you through. Pare-parehas tayo, sabay-sabay tayo mag-apply dito. Okay, it says that your Google account is missing your date of birth. To proceed, please update your details here. So, para bang sinasabi niya na meron na akong Google account but para bang sinasabi niya na may Google Adsense na ako but then hindi ko pa siya na-update. So, I guess I already have applied for Google Adsense way back nang hindi pa ako nag-YouTube. Okay? And it doesn't have a year, so I'm going to put it down. But then, of course, for security purposes, I'm going to block my date of birth. Okay? And save it. It says that you are blank years old. Is that correct? Okay, I'm going to confirm it. Your birthday has been updated and save it. Medyo mahirap talaga, maraming nahihirapan, marami ako nakikita nahihirapan sila sa pag-sign up ng Google AdSense. I guess we just need to update everything, or one of the reasons is probably you already have signed up before for Google AdSense and that you already have forgotten about it. Now, we're going to check kung ano nangyayari dito sa account ko. Okay, there you go. I already have updated my date of birth. And once I returned into that page, there you go. Okay, it's already showing my account with Google AdSense and my website, my channel. Get more out of AdSense? Yes, okay. And yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Of course, you're going to put it down. You can read back later. We cannot go along or go through with this all throughout this video. So, ayun. Titingnan natin siya. Ayan. And just click on yes, I have read and accept and create an account. So, I guess I have not created yet. I don't know. So, there. Ayan na. Yung Google AdSense, nag-update na siya. At pakonti-konti makikita natin. Ayan. Ayun. Ads made easy. Get started. Okay. In progress. It says in progress right there. Sign up for Google AdSense. Your AdSense account is being created or associated. The approval and association process can take up to several days. Okay, so this is the farthest that we can go as of this moment. Today is January 10 at 8:22 in the evening. We already have processed the application. So your AdSense account is being created or associated. The approval and association process can take up to several moments. So ayun, we're just going to wait for YouTube or Google personnel to review my account, and then we will be proceeding to step 3. Okay, so I'm going to get back to you once na nakita ko na okay na itong partnership na itong program or partner program na application ko. So, ayun, babalikan ko po kayo lahat once na ma-approve na itong step 2 na ito.
I'm going to get back to you guys. This is the farthest that we can go or we can walk you through the process dahil kailangan pa nating antayin si YouTube or si Google na i-approve ang ating AdSense account. Ang pagsa-sign up natin sa ating AdSense account. So this is the farthest that we can go. We're going to get back to you once the result has been done. So again, sabi nga ni Google, it will take up to several days, maybe 7 days or 3 days, depende sa kung gaano nila kabilis mai-process. Minsan swertehan, minsan ang iba ay 3 hours, minsan ang iba 7 hours, ang iba naman 7 days. So depende yan sa pag-review nila ng iyong channel if you will be approved. So ngayon ay nasa Google AdSense sign up pa lang naman tayo. Then after that, it will completely be reviewed by Google to check if you are eligible. So we're going to wait for this and we'll get back to you as the continuation of our vlog.